Hi, I'm Lou from Shalal Studios. Welcome to our Picture Post art video, which is to help you to do some art at home. And as it's a video, you can pause it, you can watch bits again, and you can play it at any time you like. So this week, we're going to be thinking about nature and our natural environment and what we love about it. And for this we need a pencil and something for colour. It can be anything you like. I'm going to use my watercolour paints and some oil pastels because they make a nice effect when you use them together, which I'll show you. So start by thinking about a natural space which is special to you. So this could be your garden or a park, or the sea, or somewhere else that you've been in nature that's special to you. Start by using your pencil to draw what you love about the space. It could be a tree, an animal, a flower. Now draw the landscape around your object. Is there any grass, or is it sandy? Is there water? Now draw the sky and the weather. Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it daytime or night? Now draw you in the natural space. Are you sitting, standing, or lying down? How do you feel? Finally, add colour to your drawing. If you use oil pastels and then you use a water-based thin paint on top, like watercolour, it makes quite a nice effect because the paint won't go on top of the oil pastels, but it'll go in between. I'll show you. So I'm brushing it on, but it's not going on top of the yellow pastel, it's just going in between. Thank you for doing our picture post art video with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.